Hello, my name is George Zeis. I'm a recent Code Louisville front-end development graduate. I decided to do my project on my dad's photography website. He's allowed me to chase my dreams, now it's time to help him chase his. Why don't we take a look at the project?
So this is the site. This is done for my father, who is a photographer and getting to transition from his job as an engineer into doing this full-time. So I wanted to build him something that looked and matched the level of his style of photography. We put it in the Bootstrap framework, so that way, as you can see, it does have collapsible and mobile ready, along with the navigation. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Over here at the services, we've got the photo booth, which is a collapsible photo booth he takes from place to place, doing events. So we've got all the information about the events and the packages and all that fun stuff. Along with his photography, he does do high-quality photography. He does events and modeling and portraiture and maternity and family photos. Over here in the art gallery, we have the stuff that is on the fine art page. This is fully clickable into a large format, which you can use keys or mouse. And along the bottom here, we have a display of all of the photographs as well, so that way you have your choice. Over here in the contact form, where I have created my own validation through JavaScript. So if I come in here and don't give you all the information, it'll kick it out wrong. But if I come in here and enter in all the correct information, hit submit, you get a thank you page. And now we're going to take a look at the code. This is the HTML. As you can see, we've got our link tags up in the header, and then we've got our JavaScript tags down here in the footer, or just outside the footer, for optimization. And then the other pages, all the HTML pages follow that example as well. Over here we have our main CSS, which is linked after our Bootstrap, so that way we don't take any effect on any of the Bootstrap settings. Here is where we have the Photorama. The Photorama is the library I used for the photo carousel on the fine art page. In here, I loaded everything through a jQuery object array instead of loading things through an HTML element like the documentation says to do. I didn't want to do that because of optimization. I also loaded the other photos at the bottom of the page through an object array as well. Over here in our validate form, I've already taken steps to do things that will make sure that there's no SQL injection, such as right here where we replace these values, and down in the email where we replace these values as well. This goes through and steps through and checks out all of the form fields to make sure that they are in place. If they are not, there is an error list. See, we check for error and then we display the errors. And the error list pulls the length of how many errors, it displays the errors, and uses the DOM manipulation to put those errors out to the screen.
Thank you for taking the time to look at my project. The next steps are building a CMS inside of PHP so that way my father can manage his own website. I'm going to continue my learning through Code Louisville by doing the PHP Laravel track. What I hope to get out of this is a junior development job in the front end. Again, my name is George Zeis. Thank you for watching.